Welcome back to the Sierra Hits the Fan Show. Our channel is brand new, please hit the subscribe button for us. Thank you. Today we received our first order from Alien Gear holsters. They are located pretty close to our studio here in North Idaho. Whiskey 5 ordered a holster for her SIG P365, along with 2 mounts. She ordered their ShapeShift holster, which is modular and extremely versatile. The packaging is simple and attractive. This is the paddle mount. Okay, I see we have some assembly in our near future. The instructions look easy enough, and I'm sure it's pretty intuitive. Cool sticker. Everybody loves stickers. The ShapeShift holster system components are made from Alien Gear's proprietary polymer blend, similar to the polymers used in firearms. These pieces are lightweight and feel strong. The finish is flawless. This is the holster shell for the P365. And in this second bag we have the mounting system for MOLLE rigs. Alien Gear is made in America and comes with a lifetime guarantee. Here again the finish is flawless. No burrs or scratches. The gear teeth on the shell are substantial. Prevailing in a Sierra Hits the Fan event requires proficiency across the shoot, move and communicate spectrum. Be sure to check out AmericanRadioClub.com for amateur radio courses and emergency comms resources. The holster shell on the left has the male gear teeth, and the different mounts on the right have the female locking mechanism. So the holster shell can quickly be moved from the MOLLE rig, in this case that Whiskey 5 will probably keep on one of her go bags, to the paddle mount at her waist. Likewise, she can use the same mounts for different holster shells. So if she wants to take her 1911 for the day, that holster shell will lock into the same paddle and MOLLE mounts. Here you can see the thumb-activated positive retention unit, adding another layer of security to the ShapeShift system. They make mag carriers as well. This is my first hands-on with Alien Gear, and everything here seems strong, lightweight, well designed and executed. The ShapeShift system is a very utilitarian, practical and good-looking piece of gear. We'll do a separate video very soon to assemble both rigs, and fine-tune the holster shell. You can expect a full review once Whiskey 5 has run this gear in the wild. Thank you for watching. Whiskey 6 out.